All right, so today we're taking a look at this 5-pack of 32GB SD cards. These are class 10 micro SD cards. These are the KOOTIon micro SD cards. Again, you get 5 of these SD cards with an SD card adapter. These will work on mirrorless cameras going at 1080p, full HD 1080p. You can use this on audio recorders, great for maybe podcasting, getting sound effects, or even weddings. You can use it on drones, dash cams, or even security cameras around the home. 5-pack 32GB at a insane value of a price. And also these are guaranteed 100% quality when they leave the factory for reliability as well. We're gonna do a couple tests. We're gonna open up, plug into my camera, all these devices. We'll do a speed test, and I'll show you just how well these class 10 UHS-1 micro SD cards work. So let's get straight to it. Oh, thank goodness it opens up so easily. I thought it was gonna be like a hassle to open up. All right, give you a closer look. Here's your SD card adapter right here. And of course, our 32GB SD card right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put it inside my recorder. Turn it on. Now just keep in mind, these are FAT32 right out of the box, so you may need to reformat it in some kind of way. All right, there we go. I'm gonna press record and we'll just start recording throughout that. I'm gonna take another one and put it inside of the SD card adapter, and we'll go ahead and put it inside of my camera. All right, and I'll go ahead and press record, bring it out, and there we go, recording directly onto the camera. Again, it's going to be full HD. These cards are not fast enough for full 4K, so just keep that in mind. You get a read of 90 megabytes, but a write of 25 megabytes. So it works just fine, again, for 1080p, 4K, lower bit rate on drones, dash cams, and of course security cameras as well, and of course all day long when it comes to an audio recorder. All right, so let's press stop on this. Of course, that will be our example when we're doing our file transfer to see the speeds that we get. I'm going to stop on this, and we're going to start transferring it to our computer. Now also keep in mind, this is IPX7 waterproof, so if it gets a little wet, you'll be okay. It's also static proof and also X-ray proof, so if you're traveling with these and you have to go through kind of like an X-ray machine, you'll be okay with these memory cards. All right, so let's slide it in. Let's see what kind of transfer rates we got right here. Okay, so we see our card, and we'll go ahead and we'll drag it over, and let's see the speed that we get. There you go. Yeah, transferring at 90, 80. That's fast enough for me, especially when it comes for transferring to a memory card. Let's go ahead and go for. We'll take that out, and let's go ahead and try with our audio. Bring it into there. There you go. So yeah, so again, the cost and value for these memory cards, especially especially you have so many devices around your house. Again, if you have security cameras, maybe a dash cam, several different devices, this 5-pack of reliable class 10 UHS-1 micro SD cards, well, you can't beat it. Again, these are the KOOTIon micro SD cards, and well, you know what? Let me try one more time since I didn't show you before. My drone now has an SD card. All right, that is the KOOTIon 5-pack 32GB S card. Guys, really hope this video helped you out. See if these are something that really help you, again, with the many devices that need SD cards in your house. Enjoy. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own KOOTIon 5-pack. Hey guys, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. Hit that like button if you like what's going on here, and also ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. All right guys, I'll see you next one. Take care.